Hey guys, my wife doesn't like this toilet paper roll holder. And I don't know why, but I'm going to change it for her. With this. Ooh, pretty. Yuck. There. Seemed pretty straightforward. Alright. First step, take out the old one. That was loud. Two screws, no problem. This thing's been painted on there. Be able to reuse this old mount. Look at that, it's got a little spring on it and everything. It's fancier than the one that it came with. This is what this came with. Like that. So that would go behind the wall and then your screws would go through into that. Let's see if this works. Oh, if this works. It's easy indeed. I think it's going to. We're gonna have some painting to do, but we're changing the color of this wall anyways. No big deal. Oh, see, these come with like machine screws to thread into this, like that, right? Yeah. So those are nice and pretty, but they're not gonna work. These are wood type screws. I don't think she'll know the difference. I mean, they're not as nice looking. I think she'll know though. I'm gonna use them. Let's take this toilet paper roller out. Alright. Look at that. Yeah. We just saved ourselves probably 2 or 3 minutes. And since they were in the middle of a crisis and there's no toilet paper, it's gonna be empty for a little bit. But it's ready. Ready to go. Alright guys, that was a quick and easy one. Hey, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. See you next time.